Welcome, George, sir, our dominant diamond coach.
Please welcome George, sir, the dominant diamond coach. Let's begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Get ready because grammar is about to become powerful.
It's not like this. The rule is the verb must agree with the subject. For example, the dog barks loudly. Students of Oxford, Harvard, CBSE, listen carefully. Today, grammar will give you full marks. Stop. Platforms are things, not people. It's which, not who.
Yes.
Perfect.
Wow.
Keep it sharp. Is there milk left? In questions we use, any. The answer is any. Players were selected. 2 players, the answer is simple. Answer, both. That's the power of grammar. She bought our umbrella? No, that's wrong. So the correct answer is an. And she bought an umbrella. Alright, every student has submitted. What's wrong here? Every always takes a singular verb, so student has. Books are things, not people. Who is for people? Which is for things?
Yay!
Excellent. Do we have information about the exam schedule? Information is uncountable. In questions, we will use any. Remember that rule. Perfect. Now you got it. Let's look at this sentence. One vowel means the answer is H because of each is followed by a singular noun. Got it? Let's keep practicing. If they stayed at hotel near the railway station, this hotel is specific. Answer the. The word the is used for a known place. Got it? Let's keep going strong. Every children deserves love and care. The correct sentence is every child deserves love and care. Got it? Every is always singular. Brilliant. The advertisements who appears on television influence consumers. So we use which, not who. Use which for things. That's the rule. Got it? Let's keep going. You're doing great. Stay sharp. Is there water in the bottle? Water is uncountable. In questions, an uncountable nouns take any. Focus on the verb. The blank needs each here. Now each takes a singular verb. So was is correct. Remember that rule. Adopted honest approach. Fill this blank. Silent H trick. Honest. The H is silent, so we use abba. The rule is vowel sound equals un. Got it? This is very, very important for your exams. Grammar rule alert. The sentence says books, but every must be followed by a singular noun. So the correction is book. Remember this rule. It's very, very important. Perfect. Now you've got it. If this helped you score better marks, please like, share, subscribe, and comment ready for full marks.